Hello and welcome to Tony's Music. My name's Tony and I really do appreciate you joining me on my channel. Please hit the like and the subscribe buttons and hit the notification bell for future reference of new videos I'll be posting every Friday. Firstly, I'd like to say hello to my latest subscribers, that's Ed Fultz, Rose Smith and Richard Porter. I really do appreciate you subscribing to my channel. I hope you find it useful and I hope you find it enjoyable too. I'd also like to say hello to Meditation and Mental Prayer for their comment on my videos last week. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for that. As well as that, I'd also like to say please check out Design and Create, which is the group on Facebook which has got over 16,000 assets available for free, and they're free for commercial use. As well as that, please check out Solo Boss Design Academy, which is got loads of tutorials on advanced techniques in Juggling, so if you've got Juggling, it's well worth joining that group. As well as that, you can also check out my channels on Roku and Amazon Fire TV. There's Tony's Music TV and there's TMTV, and there is also his Light Production, which is owned by a friend of mine called Sophia Samuels. She does really good animations on that, so have a look at that. As well as that, hope you enjoy the videos coming up. Have a great day, stay safe, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Hello, this is Tony. Welcome to A Beginner's Guide to Juggling Part 4. I'm going to start off by doing a recap of the last video we did, which was one-handed juggling, and I'm going to show you I used two pyramid bean bags, my index finger and my middle finger to grab hold of the first bean bag, which I'm going to throw, and then hold the second bean bag with my lower fingers and my thumb and turn them that way, and we do a round motion, throwing the first bean bag up and watching that one. Don't watch the second bean bag, because all you're going to do with the second bean bag is roll it forward to where the first bean bag used to be, right? So we do that kind of motion, like that, right? Then once you've done that, you can go on to doing the swing, right? The swing is a motion where you go there, 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 there. So initially what you do is you throw up there, then you throw up there with the second one, which I've got here. You throw up, and then you catch and throw up, then you catch and throw up, right? So it's like that, right? So once you got used to that, that one's harder, so that might take you a while to get used to it, but you keep practicing that one until you get used to it. Then you can go on to what we've got this week, which is 3 beanbag juggling, right? To throw 3 bean bags, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 bean bags in my left hand, which is my weakest hand, and 1 bean bag in my right hand, and I'm going to do that kind of motion. But I'm going to start by throwing the one with the most bean bags in. I'm going to throw the front one up there, then I'm going to throw that one as I'm catching the one that's being thrown from the other side. So I'm going to throw this one when I'm trying to catch this one, right? So it's going to be this motion, right? So it's do it again, right? So that kind of motion. Once you get used to that, you can go on to the other third kind of juggling, which is the swing plus throwing this one up in the air, right? So use 2 on your right hand for that and 1 on your left. So you throw the one on the left with the front one on the right, like that, and then you do the middle one like that. That's how you do it. So it's like that. Okay, do it again. I'm not very good at this one, but I can do it. So that's how you do that one. Now, when you get used to that one, you'll be very, very good then. So once you've done that one, you can go on to 4 or 5, but I can't do more than 3. I've tried, but you know, I'm showing you what I can do and how to do what I can do. So at least that's putting you on the path to doing more if you want to in the future. And I hope you've enjoyed this series. this should be the last of this series from now. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and I hope it's been useful to you. So if it has, please like and subscribe to Tony's Music, and thank you very much for watching.